Taekwondo Ditya Saputra. Di sini kami akan membuat tugas bahasa Inggris mengenai percakapan agreement dan disagreement.
Hi Ripano, I think modern technology is very important in agriculture.
I agree with you. Technology can help farmers increase their productivity.
That's right. For example, automatic irrigation systems can save water and time.
I completely agree. Farmers can also use drones to monitor their crops.
However, I think a farmer should immediately switch to modern technology.
I disagree with that. Some farmers may not have enough money to buy modern equipment.
That's a good point. But technology is still the best solution for agriculture.
Yes, I see your point. But I think farmers should adopt technology gradually according to their needs and financial condition.
Yes, I agree with that. A gradual transition should be more realistic.
Exactly. In that way, farmers can improve their farming practice without facing significant financial challenge.